Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty take me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on Love Galore who never lost control. Plus a supermodel.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to make bubble tea with the best kit ever. This is Food Craft Home Kits bubble tea, and I'm gonna show you guys. If you guys didn't check out my Instagram, I post a story on this and show you guys what's in the box. But for those who don't have Instagram, I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. So this is how it looks like, and then when you open it, it's a Food Craft Home Kit. And when you open inside, there's recipe for different kind of bubble tea. So there's like 9 or 12 drinks in here. So as you guys can see, matcha brown sugar, taro, matcha latte, brown sugar milk tea, fruit tea, and all the goodies. And then these are the matcha powder right here, the taro powder, and then tea bags for the milk tea or whatever tea that you guys want. So there's black tea, and what is this? Let me see. This is Earl Grey black tea, and then tapioca pearls. So I'm excited to try to cook this. Hopefully I do it correctly, but yeah. And then there's the passion fruit tea, and this is the brown sugar syrup, and then more tea bags, straws, and this is the non-dairy creamer, and more teas. So I'm very excited to make some bubble tea because you guys know I've been craving bubble tea for a while, and I haven't been going out to get bubble tea like that because, you know, quarantine and all. But I think I'm gonna start cooking the tapioca pearls first because I think in here it says it take a while to cook them. Let me just read it real quick. Blah blah blah. Okay, so basically you fill the pot with water, let it boil, pour in the pearls, boil for 25 minutes, uncover, and then turn off the heat and steep for another 20 minutes. So basically 45 minutes to cook these, and blah blah blah. Okay, do not refrigerate. So these pearls, once we cook them, we cannot refrigerate them. Okay, I wonder why. Will it go bad? Maybe it will. But I'm about to take a picture of this and then see what my brothers and sister will like. Okay, so I will be making 4 drinks today, guys. One of them is the brown sugar milk tea, jasmine fruit tea, Earl Grey milk tea, and also taro. Okay guys, so this is how the pearls look. It's looking just right. So I have like 10 more minutes, and then I gotta turn off the fire and then let it steep for like 20 minutes. But it's looking just right because I was googling how to make the pearls, and they say that if you see it float to the top, then it's ready. But it's looking almost ready. Okay guys, so I just got a bowl of water and I'm adding ice in it so it could be cold. And don't mind the thing in there, there's nothing in my bowl, guys. It's just chip. So yeah, before you guys tell me that I have bugs in here, I don't. But yeah, still I have like 10 more minutes until I could remove the bubbles and put it in here. So I have like 3 more minutes before I remove the pearls and put it in the ice cold water. While I wait for that, I'm gonna start brewing the tea in hot water for 10 minutes. I should have labeled these because I might mix the tea up, but I mean, I can always look back in this video, to be honest. So the first one will be the black tea. Oh, I guess I don't have to be confused because it's stapled to this, so I could just do it like this. Oh, okay. Won't be confused, guys. So I think the pearls look okay, guys, but it's still sticking a little bit. But you know, next time I'm gonna make sure to let it boil a little bit more. But it's not that bad though. Hopefully it'll be okay. But now I'm about to pour the brown sugar syrup to coat it evenly, just a little bit though, because I don't want it to be too sweet. I think that's enough. And then I'm gonna mix it. So in the recipe paper, it says I need a shaker, but since I don't have one, I'm just using a random bottle to shake everything up together. So basically, you're just adding ice, tea, and any milk or syrup depending on what drinks you guys are making. So I had the brown sugar milk tea and it was freaking delicious. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe.